What is up? So today we're going to be making some spring rolls, and we're also going to be making the peanut sauce to dip it, so let's go. Check it out. So today I'm going to show you how to make a spring roll. Rice, paper wrap, cucumber, lettuce, vermicelli noodles, shrimp, pork belly. Then we're going to make the peanut butter sauce with the coconut milk, peanut butter, and hoisin sauce. So now we're going to let the water boil, and then we're going to drop in the pork belly for 10 minutes or until it's like completely brown in color. So the pork belly's done. Now we're going to cut it, the bone off as close as we can. So after we remove the bone from the pork belly, then we're gonna turn it on its side and slice thin slices, and if it still appears to be red, put it back into the boiling water till it's completely brown. Next we're gonna wash the lettuce and the cucumber, and then we're gonna cut them very thin. So next we want to boil up our shrimp and wait till it fully cooks. Then we want to peel it and then slice it in half. Next thing we need to do is to boil the vermicelli noodles for about 5 to 7 minutes. Until it gets nice and soft. So next we're gonna make the peanut sauce. So we're gonna need coconut milk, hoisin sauce, and your favorite peanut butter. And you're gonna put it on the stove and put it on low and let it gel together for like a minute or two. So I'm gonna grab the rice wrap. I'm gonna soak it in the hot water. Then we're gonna grab the cucumber, 2 lettuce, the vermicelli noodles. We'll probably just grab a little bit. Then we'll add our 2 shrimp. Flip it over. We got a pork belly. Your boy likes 2. Alright, so we're here. Then we're gonna fold the sides. Then the sides again.
And then just tuck it in.
Tuck it, and boom! Check it out. Came out pretty good. Oh, check it out. So we just finished the spring rolls. For the shrimp, the vermicelli, the lettuce, the pork belly, the cucumber, and this is the peanut sauce we made. So let me just eat it without it. Yes. Really fresh. Let me see, put in the peanut sauce. It's really good. Peanut sauce is nice and smooth. Got the Hoisin sauce, coconut milk in it. Really good. Check it out. It's very simple to make. So I'll see you guys next time.